Finland is the happiest country in the world in 2025, and it now offers Indians a clear path to permanent residency or PR. With PR, Indians can live, work, and settle in one of the safest, most stable countries on earth while enjoying incredible perks like world-class education, affordable healthcare, and the chance to bring their family. I'm Max from the Visa Library, and let me tell our Indian friends how to get a Finland permanent residence. Like the video, subscribe, and let's go. First, what is Finland PR and why choose Finland for permanent residency? Finland has strong trust, great public services, and a healthy work-life balance. After you've lived in Finland a long enough time on the right kind of residence permit, you can apply for Finland PR, which means a permanent residence permit. You can apply from inside the country. If you live in Finland permanently, you're generally covered by the national health insurance system. Daily life is smooth with efficient public transportation, excellent schools, and a culture that respects your time off. And while learning Finnish helps a lot, many workplaces, especially in tech and international companies, operate comfortably in English. Let's talk more about the eligibility criteria for Finland PR. You need to live in Finland for 4 years on a continuous A residence permit. Only A. The time on a temporary B permit does not count. But be careful. From January 2026, the required stay will increase to 6 years. Next, you must have physically lived in Finland for at least 2 of those years. Short trips abroad are fine, but long absences are not. Next one, you must still meet the grounds of your current residence permit, job, family, business, etc. when you apply for PR. Income or resources must be sufficient to support yourself without relying on social aid. You generally need to show at least about 1,600 euros per month in gross income without social aid. You need to have a clean legal record without serious crimes, unpaid taxes, or violations that could affect your stay. Next, you need to apply while living in Finland. You cannot get PR directly from outside the country. Moving on, what documents do you need for your Finland PR application? You'll need your valid passport and copies of all passport pages, recent passport style photos meeting Finnish photo standards, proof of your current residence permit A type, like your permit card and details of permit history, documents showing your continuous residence in Finland like rental agreements, utility bills, registrations, etc. Next, proof of income like salary slips, employment contract, bank statements, business invoices, or other proof you have no sufficient resources in the country. Next, your tax and financial records like tax returns or employer statements to confirm you haven't been supported by social assistance. Next, your criminal record certificate or police clearance from India or from countries you've lived in, or something that's equivalent to that. Any translations of documents into Finnish, Swedish, or English done by an authorized translator. Next one, legalization or apostille of foreign documents like apostille from Ministry of External Affairs plus Finnish Embassy attestation. And finally, any other attachments they may ask you for, like proof of language studies, work contracts, etc. If your documents are old, you may need to present certified copies or certified translations. Also, make sure you legalize documents at the home country authorities at the Finnish mission. All right, let's do it. Let's apply for Finland PR. First, you need to make sure you meet the requirements and show you have a gross income at least 1,600 euros per month if you're on a regular work permit. You can prove it with pay slips and employment contract or other financial proof. If you're self-employed, you'll need business records or tax documents showing steady earnings. Also, you need to prepare your documents. I already talked to you about them, so let's move on. Next, you need to apply online through Enter Finland. The simplest and fastest way to apply for permanent residency is through the Enter Finland online portal. Start by creating a personal account with your email and a secure passport. Once you're logged in, select the application type permanent residence permits. Go through the form carefully. It'll ask you about your entire stay in Finland, the type of residence permits you've held, your work or family status, income, and any travel history. Make sure every answer matches your financial records. Even small mistakes can delay your case. Next, upload clear, high-quality scans of all your required documents. This usually includes your passport, residence permit card, proof of address, income records, and any translations or legalized certificates. The system lets you upload files in PDF or image format, so prepare them beforehand. Finally, pay the application fee online, which is currently around 240 euros for adults. If you can't use the online service or prefer paper, you can submit a paper form, but it's slower and costs about 350 euros. Once you apply and submit, your application officially enters the system. Next step, book and attend an identity check. After submitting online, you'll get instructions to book an appointment at a Finnish immigration service point, also called Migri service point. This step is mandatory. First of all, at the appointment, you'll present your original passport and any key documents you uploaded online. The officer will verify your identity, review your paperwork, and ask for your biometric data. This includes your fingerprints, a digital photo, and your signature, which will later appear on your PR card. Once this step is done, your application is fully ready for processing and you just have to wait for Migri's decision. Now, wait for processing. Processing time can vary and sometimes take a few months. Keep an eye on your Enter Finland account for any updates. If the immigration service asks for extra documents, send them quickly to avoid any delays. Make sure your current permit stays valid while you wait, so you remain legally in Finland. And finally, receive your decision and PR card. If approved, you officially become a permanent resident of Finland. Congratulations! Your status doesn't expire, but your physical PR card must be renewed every 5 years. With PR, you'll have an unlimited right to work, more stability for your career and family, and access to Finland's strong social benefits like public healthcare and education. If your application is refused, you can appeal the decision or reapply once you meet the requirements. All right, let's talk about the cost of applying, shall we? The online application fee is about 240 euros for adults. The paper application fee is about 350 euros for adults. The children's online application is about 180 euros. The cost of renewing the PR card later is now around 54 to 60 euros every 5 years. There are other fees like document translation, which varies but usually is 20 to 60 euros per page. Also, the cost of legalization of foreign documents depends on your home country's fee, so you have to check. So, what do you think about this visa journey? But what you think in the comment section, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. You can also find links for our free consultation services and social media accounts in the description. Thank you all for watching.